I believe that there is a need for nutritional literacy when we are discussing this. One of the major marine fish catch, that is sardine, which forms 30 to 35% of total fish catch, as recorded by Director of Fisheries every year in their annual marine fish catch landing or statistics. And there is a lot of research, large number of papers on taxonomy, ecology, biology, phenology, breeding of the sardines. But what is lacking in Goa is the promotion of sardines, promotion of mackerels, promotion of local fish in our traditional diet. And we see that huge amount, crores are being spent on the fast food advertising, and local people, especially the young generation from the age group of 10 to 30, hardly knows the beneficial nutritional aspects of fish like sardines. So my wife has done a IGNU course, Indira Gandhi National Open University course, certificate in nutrition, and we used to discuss a lot. And she has written a lot about the lifestyle related diseases of Goa, which are increasing. Diabetes is increasing, cancers are increasing, cardiovascular diseases are increasing, hypertension is increasing, and 4 or 5 diseases are killing 70% of the Goans. Many of them are dying between the age group 25 to 44, and we suspect that wrong diet or absolutely unbalanced diet and diet which is lacking in, especially among the fish eaters, I believe that except for a small community which prefers vegetarian food because of certain social taboos or their caste reasons, 90% of blue-blooded Goans, Nice Goenkars, they all eat fish and diverse fish, and absolutely nobody will be ignorant about use of mackerels and sardines or bangde and talle. So, Melinda, I would like you to comment on the nutritional importance of sardines.
See, these are this thing. What is that? Have got omega 3. They are rich in omega 3, which has got in anti-inflammatory properties. Very, very important. Okay. So now you find that many people, are dying of cardiovascular problems, because of cardiovascular problems, suffering from hypertension at a very young age. Okay, from what is that, cancer. Now they have to include this in their diet, not the junk food. Okay, we are moving away from our traditional diet, and what is important is that you have to maintain a ratio between omega 3 and omega 6 in your diet, which is possible only if you have your traditional dishes. Like you have to include what is that, dhadak. Okay, you do not fry it. When you fry sardines, the omega 3 gets destroyed, so you have to use more of these gravy based dishes, the dishes which you cook in banana leaves. Okay, such type of dishes have to be included in your diet. If you fry them, everything will be destroyed, the omega 3. So the medicinal property of the sardine gets destroyed when you fry it.